Alright, now I know some of you guys are wondering, what if you just buy a Kimura cable and you didn't buy like the IMs? Well, I did just that because I want the 2-pin connectors, because a lot of my IMs use 2-pin connectors. And that being said, other than having, the MM6 connectors, you also get the one with 2-pin connectors. So let's check it out. Wow, would you look at that? So inside it's a little bit more simple. You're going to get the cable and the mic, so with the 2-pin connector, so that's good. It's basically the same exact thing as the other one. You just get, different connector types if you buy this version. You also get this, the coupling Y adapter essentially, and is that it? Well, you get one of these babies. Anyway, as you can see, the package is just much simpler. Cable, mic built into it, Y coupling adapter, and in my case, this version's like, once again, 2-pin connector, because I just don't have this version yet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to know what this sounds like, I have a video where I compare this Antlion Kimura versus the Kimura Grammar, as well as the Ethos Pro Gaming Mark III gaming cable. Leave a little thing in the corner, as well as a link down below. And I also did review the Kimura headset package, where it comes with the solo or the duo IEMs. That Antlion has also made a couple with them. And then if you want to know how those perform and sound, I'll also leave a link a little right there and a little down there. Yeah, it's just a quick video, so yeah, that's pretty much it.